choose life instead of existing or surviving. Choose life. Ladies and gentlemen, that is the important thing. Let's sit down, let's take the time, make the choice, have a coffee. Let's quickly look at this. Why do I say choose life? I mean, that's so obvious. Because we sometimes forget to choose to live our life to the fullest, to enjoy our lives. We tend to survive, we tend to exist. Maybe at the end of the week it will go better. Maybe when the holidays get around, it will be better. Maybe by Christmas, I'll be better. No, ladies and gentlemen, today is the day that you choose to live your life. You choose life and joy, and forget the exist for next week or survive until the holidays. It is, we are wasting time. I've talked about this so many times now, but it still is to me an important thing. Make time, don't waste time. Make your choices wisely, choose wisely because it has consequences. And take time for yourself because you matter. Your time matters. Your life matters. So it's not going to be a perfect life. None of us have perfect lives. It's going to be trials, tribulations, hills to climb, valleys to wade through. All of that stuff, that is part of life. But you can choose to just keel over and let it consume you, or you can choose to live in spite of all of the bad things. There's going to be stuff that stop you, and then you have to go and climb over it, even if you have a bum knee, and look at the good things in your life. See the positive instead of the negative. And ladies and gentlemen, this week, from today you start living your life, enjoying your life. Let it keep on until the end of your life. And please share this with someone if you need to. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next week.